The ocean is a beautiful and fascinating place, but it can also be a dangerous place. Many creatures live in the ocean that are both stunning and deadly. But the big question is, which are the most dangerous ocean creatures in the world, and why are they dangerous? Is it because of their spines, venom, or size? To answer these questions, we have compiled a list of the top 10 dangerous ocean creatures in the world, 2024. From the blue sea dragon, yes, you heard it right, a dragon, to the stonefish, and even an octopus, whose venom can kill an adult human with just 1 milligram. We have included these animals in the list, so without further ado, let's start. At number 10, we have stonefish. Stonefish are found in the Indo-Pacific region, and they live in coral reefs, rocky shores, and tidal pools. They prefer shallow waters with plenty of cover. Stonefish are masters of disguise. They have lumpy bodies that are often brown, yellow, and orange, and blend in perfectly with rocks and coral reefs. They use this camouflage to ambush their prey and stay hidden from predators. Stonefish have dorsal fin spines that contain neurotoxins that can cause excruciating pain and paralysis. They wait patiently for unsuspecting fish or crustaceans to come within reach of their dorsal fin spines, and these 13 spines hide potent neurotoxins that can deliver excruciating pain and paralysis. This venom can cause excruciating pain, severe swelling, tissue damage, and even lead to some severe health issues. A unique characteristic of stonefish is that they can walk on their fins, using their pectoral fins like tiny legs to shuffle across the seabed. Next, we have cone snail. Cone snail are found in tropical and subtropical waters around the world, often inhabiting coral reefs and sandy bottoms. With 600 known species, these snails come in a variety of shapes and sizes. The most distinguishing feature of a cone snail is its shell, which is usually cone-shaped with a pointed apex. The proboscis, or foot, is a muscular extension of the snail's body that it uses to move and feed. At the tip of the proboscis is a modified radula tooth, which acts like a harpoon. The radula tooth is connected to a venom gland that produces a cocktail of toxins. These marine predators shoot harpoons laced with potent neurotoxins that can paralyze fish, and in severe cases, humans too. Scientists have been studying and have discovered that it contains a variety of peptides with potential medical applications in treating pain, epilepsy, and cancer. An interesting fact is that cone snails can live up to 20 years. Next, we have sea snakes. They are found in the warm tropical waters of the Indian and Pacific Oceans. There are 57 known species belonging to two major subfamilies, Laticodinae and Hydrophinae. These snakes can grow to an average length of 120 to 150 centimeters, with some species reaching up to 3 meters in length. Sea snakes have several adaptations that allow them to live in the ocean. Their bodies are streamlined for swimming. Their nostrils are positioned on top of their heads so they can breathe while keeping most of their body submerged. And their tails are flattened paddles that help them propel themselves through the water. The venom of sea snake is a complex cocktail of enzymes, proteins, and other compounds that primarily targets the muscles and nervous system of their prey, which are mainly fish and eels. Sea snakes are oviparous, which means they lay eggs. The eggs are laid on land or in floating debris, and the young hatch on their own. Sea snakes give birth in the ocean to an average of 2 to 9 young at a time. Next, we have flower urchin. They are found in the Southeast Atlantic, the Indo-West Pacific, and the East Pacific, with their natural habitats including coral reefs, coral rubble, rocks, sand, and seagrass beds, at depths ranging from 0 to 90 meters. Flower urchin are known for their striking appearance, with a reddish-brown test shell covered in short, inconspicuous spines and decorated with numerous delicate pink or white appendages that resemble flowers. These urchins are known for their toxicity, with venom located at the base of their spines in their pedicelaria. The venom of the flower urchin, Toxinustes pilolis, is highly potent, as its venom contains 2 active toxins, contractin A and SUL3, which can cause anaphylactic shock, convulsions, and death in rare cases. They feed on algae, Hydrozoans, and organic detritus, and have few predators. Flower urchins can grow up to 20 centimeters in diameter, and are often covered in debris, which may serve as a defense against predation. Next, we have lionfish. They are found in warm waters of the tropics, including the Atlantic, Caribbean, and Gulf of Mexico. They inhabit various marine environments, such as hard bottom, mangrove, seagrass, coral, and artificial reefs, and can be found at depths ranging from 1 to 300 feet. They have a distinctive coloration of maroon, red, or brown, with white stripes covering their bodies from head to tail. An adult lionfish can grow up to 18 inches and weigh about 2.5 pounds. They also have fleshy, tentacle-like appendages above their eyes and below their mouths, with fan-like pectoral fins. Additionally, they have 13 long dorsal spines, 10 to 11 soft dorsal rays, and 6 to 7 soft anal rays. The venom of the species is delivered through their spines and can cause extreme pain, nausea, and in rare cases, more severe effects to humans. Number 5 on the list are the marine hydrozoans. Hydrozoans. These creatures can be found in shallow waters where the sun shines bright, all the way down to the crushing depths of the ocean. Hydrozoans have two life stages, namely the polyp stage and the medusa stage. The polyp is a stationary creature that looks like a tiny plant, while the medusa is a jellyfish-like creature that can swim freely. Hydrozoan venom is poisonous to humans and can cause allergic reactions. Symptoms of allergic reactions may include swelling in the throat, airway blockage, cardiac stress, breathing difficulties, fever, and shock. Some hydrozoan species are Portuguese man-of-wars, fire coral, and by-the-wind sailors. One of the distinctive facts about hydrozoan is that they're the only creature that can regenerate their entire bodies from a small piece of tissue. Next, we have blue sea dragon, also known as Glaucus atlanticus. It's a small venomous sea slug that lives in temperate and tropical waters throughout the world's oceans. They are part of the nudibranch order and are soft-blooded, hermaphroditic gastropods. Blue sea dragons are dangerous due to the toxins they possess, which they steal from their prey, the Portuguese man-of-war. They store the nematocysts, or stinging cells, from the man-of-war's tentacles within their tissue, making them equally venomous to the predators. Blue sea dragon's venom can remain active even after they die, yet they are little, rarely growing more than 3 centimeters, just over 1 inch. They float on their backs, with an air bubble in their stomach helping them maintain buoyancy, and their brightly colored underbelly exposed to airborne predators. Stingray secures its position as number 3. They're known for their flat, diamond-shaped bodies with pectoral fins that extend to form their wings. There are over 220 known species of stingrays, found in tropical and subtropical waters of the US and around the world. They come in a variety of sizes, from the small, ocellated stingray, which is only about a foot long, to the giant manta ray, which can reach up to 30 feet across. Stingrays are bottom dwellers and spend most of their time swimming or gliding just above the seafloor. They feed on a variety of small animals, such as clams, shrimp, and crabs. They use their powerful jaws to crush their prey, and their strong pectoral fins to help them dig in the sand. Stingrays are closely related to sharks. A distinctive characteristic of this creature is they have no bones. Their bodies are made of cartilage, the same material that makes up your nose and ears. Stingray tails contain barbs and venomous spines that can cause a painful and potentially dangerous sting, and can cause intense pain, swelling, and muscle cramps. Next, we have the blue-ringed octopus. The blue-ringed octopus is a small but highly venomous animal found in the Pacific and Indian Oceans, particularly in tidal regions from Australia to Japan. They typically inhabit coral reefs, rocky areas, tide pools, seagrass, and algal beds. These octopuses are typically only about the size of a golf ball, but they pack a powerful punch. Adults typically measure 5 to 10 centimeters long, including their arms, and their main body is even smaller, only about 2 to 5 centimeters long. The blue-ringed octopus's venom contains tetrodotoxin, a powerful neurotoxin that can paralyze its prey within minutes. This toxin blocks nerve signals, leading to muscle paralysis, including those needed for breathing. Just 1 milligram of tetrodotoxin can be dangerous to an adult human. The blue-ringed octopus's venom is produced by symbiotic bacteria that live in its salivary glands. Blue-ringed octopuses are intelligent creatures who can solve puzzles and learn simple tasks. The box jellyfish is on the topmost number of today's list. They are found in warm coastal waters around the world, with the lethal varieties primarily in the Indo-Pacific region and northern Australia. They are pale blue and transparent, with a cube-like bell and up to 15 tentacles growing from each corner, reaching up to 10 feet in length. Their venom is considered one of the deadliest, containing toxins that attack the heart, nervous system, and skin cells. It is so overpoweringly painful that human victims have been known to go into shock and drown or die of heart failure before even reaching shore. The Australian box jellyfish is considered the most venomous marine animal, with body sizes reaching up to 1 foot in diameter and thick, bootlace-like tentacles up to 10 feet long. Box jellyfish possess 24 eyes, arranged in 4 clusters around their bell, with 4 of them being complex image-forming eyes akin to ours. Thanks for watching the video. Comment down below your favorite part and let us know. Also, press the subscribe button and bell icon for regular updates.